welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. So guys, if you are like me and you love yams, then this recipe is for you. I love yams because yams are so good. You probably shouldn't eat them every day because it's high on carbs, but I'm telling you, the way I make it, it compensates because I put a lot of fish in it and I put some veggies in it and it tastes so good. Guys, if you want to learn how I make my vegetable yam porridge, then just keep watching. And while you're watching, guys, don't forget to leave comments in the comment section down below and let me know if there's a way to make it better. And guys, like this video, share this video, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Please do so right now. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.
So let's get cooking. So guys, I have here a beautiful tuber of yam that I got from the African store. I'm gonna cut this up and wash it, and this is what it looks like after cutting up and washing. So you're also gonna need some tomatoes, some onions, some habanero pepper for some heat, crayfish, and of course some white fish. I'm using tilapia today, and some spinach. So to a hot pan, I'm gonna go ahead and add my palm oil. Palm oil is perfect because of the color and the flavor that it gives this dish. So using that palm oil, I'm gonna fry my crayfish for about a minute or two. This intensifies the flavor of the crayfish, and that way you don't have to use a lot of crayfish. So now I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my crushed tomatoes, onions, and pepper. Now I'm gonna fry this for just about 10 minutes until I've cooked out the raw flavor of that tomato, and then I would go ahead and season it with some salt and some seasoning cube. Any seasoning cube would do. I'm telling you guys, it is so simple. You don't need to add any extra seasoning. It's perfect just the way it is. So stir fry this thing and cook it for, like I said, about 5 to 10 minutes until you've cooked out the acidity of the tomatoes. Then go ahead and add your yam. Guys, just make sure you stir it up because you want to make sure that every cube of yam is coated with that delicious sauce. So stir this all up and go ahead and add some water just to top this up a little bit. Make sure you don't add too much water. You could actually use meat stock instead of water, but I didn't have chicken stock handy, so I used water and it worked out perfectly. So cover this and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes depending on how large your yam cubes are, but 15 minutes was perfect for mine. So now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add my fish. I'm using my tilapia fish, but you can use any white fish for this recipe. You could actually use dry fish if you have it, but I love tilapia because the flavor is so beautiful and it's so subtle, and I love the way it scatters up in the dish when it's cooked. So I'm letting this cook for 5 minutes, and now I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up with my spinach. Guys, I'm telling you, this dish is already done. It takes about 20 minutes to cook this entire thing, and you're gonna have a pot of deliciousness. So now I'm dishing out my yam porridge, and guys, serve it immediately because you want to eat it when it's hot because it is so good when it's piping hot. I love this stuff. My daughter loves it. Like, she literally wants to eat this stuff every day. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, guys. And guys, leave comments in the comment section down below and let me know if there's a way to make this better. Share this video with your friends and family. Like this video, guys, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Please do so right now, okay? I love you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.